JBL Go 4 versus the Go 3. Let's do a sound test first, then we'll come back.
Love like wildfire, I was your entire world until I stood alone in a storm. You took the sunshine, the flames are gone now, and I watched you walk straight out of that door. Promises got lost in the dust, your boots by the door, you're not coming home. Love like wildfire, I was your entire world until I wasn't anymore. Oh, heartache, you left me behind. That's not a man, only a coward. Now you're chasing the wind, no longer my man. You're just a
All right, sound test complete. What do you guys think? I'll tell you my opinion, and then you can form your own. As you can see, I no longer have the Go 3 in my hand because I returned it because of this guy. I'm gonna get another Go 4 to pair up. My daughter has a birthday coming up. I'll give her a Go 4. I'll have mine. When we come together on vacation, we'll pair up, have stereo mode, all wonderful. All right, let me tell you what I hear in the sound difference between the Go 3 and the Go 4. Now, the Go 3 emphasized the vocals a lot more. So if you're looking at like a chart, you see the vocals come straight at you. No, not much mids and a little bit of bass. The Go 4 is a little more balanced, I guess you could say. Has vocals, but has those mids, and then delivers some bass. So there are certain songs that actually the Go 3 may sound better to your ears with a lot of vocal or podcast, that kind of thing. There are times where I do like the sound of the Go 3 more than the Go 4, depending on the song. But overall, I do like the Go 4 better for the sound, for all types of music. I do like the fact that I can use an app to check the battery level, to change the EQ, and to update any type of firmware software on the Go 4. I'm also going to like the fact that I can pair them together to make stereo sound. So if you're in the market and you're going back and forth between these two speakers, and what's unusual right now is that for Prime Day, it was really cheap for the Go 3. I got it for like $30. But now it's back up to the normal price. So they're almost, the Go 4 and the Go 3, and you go on Amazon, they're pretty much the same price. If you see that and you're going to buy one, I would go with the Go 4 just because I like the look a little bit better and I like the fact that you can use the app. That's it. Very small speaker. Again, the best part of this speaker is that I throw it on the back of my backpack and I just forget about it. I don't feel the weight. I don't feel it bouncing around. It just blends right in and it's there when I need it to play music, podcasts, YouTube stuff, all that fun jazz. All right. Like, subscribe down below. We'll see you in the next video.